What's up guys, it's Ryan with the MXG channel here. Finally made it to a GNCC this year. We made it to the Mountaineer here in Beckley, West Virginia. And yeah, we got here and Mason actually swapped my tank because it's an oversized tank for his. And we didn't check it before we left. The fuel line had a hole in it. Luckily, his mom had some medical grade hose here. We were able to fashion it into a fuel line. We also found a spark plug before we even got to signups. We're gonna check it out. Oh, this is some kind of medical hose. We're able to fashion this up, make the fuel line work, change out the plug. This will be his first race with the new VHM head. And yeah, he's in signups now, so we'll head to the starting line shortly.
Get it going, let's meet your starting line.
All right, y'all, they just took off. We're starting out here on mile marker 10 and just kind of walking our way in. Gonna try to snag some shots and just get some hiking done. Enjoy the day. How you doing back there?
I'm here.
It's Krista's first GNCC. So we're gonna break her in today with about 8 miles of hiking.
Oh, I don't know about that.
All right guys, so that was a quick race for Mason. He hit a rock, busted his clutch cover on the first lap, second lap? First lap. Obviously there's nobody within 200 miles that has a clutch cover for a KX250 two-stroke, so he's out. We've been down at the Monster Rock Garden watching. It's been a good time.